Want to make money as an artist? Here are 25 ways to make money as an artist in 2023, and I want you to use this video as a resources. I want you to use it as a career planning tool to give you ideas and to inspire you to really start taking your art career seriously. The first one is obviously the originals. It can be an oil painting, acrylic painting, pencil drawing, portrait, or anything that you are doing, but either way you have to put in a lot of time and effort and materials into manufacturing one single masterpiece of your artworks. So of course you have to charge more for it because it has your valuable time and effort and also the material cost. Oftentimes people will be priced out this product, they can't afford originals, and that is where our second one comes. It is prints and stickers. They are smaller reproduction of your artworks, but either way you can sell these products just on math. Maybe you sign them to provide extra value in that case of prints if you offer limited edition runs or anything for an even higher value reproduction, but either way you don't have to put in the same amount of time and effort into creating both of these products. So you can sell them at a far reduced rate. Before going to the next one, make sure everyone subscribe our channel and like this video because this video is done by a lot of time and effort, so please make sure you does it right now. Going on to the third one, that is digital products. They are a more passive income stream. Again, like prints and merch, you only have to make the design once and then you can sell an infinite number of copies. So I would suggest that if you are a beginner that you start with a more passive income stream to get you going because it requires so much less effort to maintain. Going on to the fourth one, it is creating a YouTube channel. Creating YouTube channel as artist is a better way to make money. If you love filmmaking and have some patience, it is definitely going to be worth it. YouTube is especially a great way to make money, but also it is not that easy to get money. You need to be hardworking, consistent, and ready to sacrifice your time and put lots of efforts to it. It is going to be your life changer one day. And the fifth one is creating art course. If you love teaching, this would be a great option for you. Creating online art courses for the people who want to study art, and this way you can make money. As of course maybe first time you may not get the students, but eventually you can by improving your teaching classes and so on. This video will be getting so long if I explain every topic like this, so from now on I will tell every topic's name only, and if anybody need any clarification of any topic just comment down, and also if anybody is currently doing any one of these and earning money, tell me in the comment section. So let's go check the topics. Do commissions. Give lectures on your artistic process. Participate in art competition and exhibitions. Sell your work through an art gallery or agents. Earn through social media platforms. Create greeting cards, calendars, and other merchandise. Get involved in public art projects. Design logos and graphics. Work as an artist in school or museum. Sell your works through online galleries or marketplace. Participate in pop-up art events or art fairs. Have a regular art studio sale. Illustrate a book, magazine, or comic book. Design and print your t-shirts, tote bags, and others. Make jewelry or other small art objects to sell. Sell digital prints online. Create home decor items. Create wall art or do frameworks. Selling works on Etsy. Live caricature and speed drawing. There are many different ways for artists to earn cash from their work. By exploring a variety of income streams, artists can increase their chances of making a living from their art. Whether you want to make a part-time or full-time job with your art skills, you need to have more than one income stream in place. One benefit of owning a business is that you control your schedule. Being self-employed has many benefits, but you will need to work on multiple jobs and work on new skills if you want to achieve your financial goals. For all of these you must have some skills in art, so for that I have already created a video to improve your art skills. I will mention it in the description and in the top card as well. Make sure to watch that after this video because it will be useful for you, I am sure of it. Everything is harder at first. All you have to do is start now. Take the first step to it, and eventually everything comes to you. That's all for today. Hope you guys have a great day and see you in the next one. Bye guys.